Today's video regarding Canon Pixma TS5060 all-in-one printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi direct setup. So I'm going to use the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi system to connect it with your any device. For example, I have an iPhone, and I'll show you how to do the scanning as well, wireless scanning. So this is a kind of wireless setup. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. Also press the power button and go to the home screen. So on the screen we see here there is option of setting, so just go there and click OK. On the next screen we have to click OK on settings, click on device settings, and then look for the LAN setting and click on that. Below that is the wireless direct, click OK, and it will show you wireless direct active or inactive. So click OK on that and click on as we want to switch it on, and wait for it to be on. Once it is done, we need to know the password of this printer. So it says click yes, and on the next page it displays the information about it. The top is the name of this printer's Wi-Fi, and look for password, and just here we can see the password. Now go to your iPhone, go to the Wi-Fi setting and wait for the printer to appear here. Once you see the name of the printer, click on that, enter the password as it is displayed, and click on the join button. So it is connected to the printer's Wi-Fi. The next thing is to go and open the Canon Print App. You can download the app from the App Store, and once we open it, straightway asks to add the printer, so click yes. It will search for this printer and it will add up automatically, and this might take few seconds or a minute. Here we can see it says printer could not be found. So in case you see this message, just click on OK. It will automatically go to the next page and look for the printer here. So just wait for the printer to appear. As we can see, Canon TS5060 series is here. So we have to manually add it. So click on that, and now it is going to add it. So once it is connected, you see this screen. Click cancel, and here you can get the option for wireless scanning, wireless printing. For example, to do the wireless scanning, click on the scan button, open the top scanner lid, and place a page facing down on left hand side, and click on the scan button. So overall I can say the inbuilt Wi-Fi of this printer is really good and efficient, as you can see. So it is working and it's scanning the page. So we just wait for the scan to be transferred here. Here we can see the scan has arrived, and now we can save it. So just click exit, and then it will give you the scan here. Now here is the save or share button, so you just simply click on that and you can save it. So overall I can say the wireless scanning and printing with this printer is really easy. For printing, you can simply select any document and just click on the print button, and it will do that as well. So overall it's a very good feature of this printer, and if you don't have any home or office Wi-Fi network, you can simply just use the Wi-Fi direct. Thanks for watching.